Today I'm unboxing and setting up the Boom Display HDMI stick. This super simple device turns almost any screen into a smart content device. Let's dive in and I'll show you exactly what you get and how to hook it up in less than 1 minute. So what's inside the box? First of all, you get the HDMI stick. This is the brains of the operation. A USB cable for the power. This draws power straight from your TV/screen. And a remote control, so you can connect it to your Wi-Fi, and of course batteries and the receiver are included too. So first of all, connect the USB cable from the USB stick to a USB port on your screen, just like this. This will power up the actual HDMI stick. Also connect up the wireless receiver cable to the HDMI stick. Once both these cables are connected, connect the HDMI stick directly into the screen on your TV. And that's it. The device will power up. Just pop in the batteries on the remote control and you're ready to go. So pause me now, because what I'm going to do is then show you, once it powers up on the screen, how to do it. So once you're at this stage and it's powered up, pause me and then get ready to press play. So as you powered up the device, you should have seen the Boom Display logo. Once you see this, the Boom Display system will say it'll be wanting to connect for the very first time. It'll possibly say it is not connected to the internet. So what we need to do is come out of the app and connect the device to Wi-Fi. So to come out of the page, use the remote control and press the back button. This will take you to the menu of the HDMI stick. Move the arrows keys to the settings toggle in the top right hand corner. And you're looking for the Wi-Fi settings just like this. Once you find the Wi-Fi, connect it up with your credentials, and then you should see this page to confirm you are then connected. Then back up again a few times, go into the app section, fire up the Boom Display app, and hey presto, it should then say you are now connected to the internet. And then the next thing we need to do is register the Boom Displays. So at this point, press the mouse toggle on the remote control. So the mouse toggle on the remote control. Once you press this, you can then use the arrows up and down to scroll up to the top right hand corner where it says register. Press the register button, and that is where you get your ID number for your device. Bear in mind, this will only stay on screen for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, you will need to do it again. So at this point, you need to go onto the web portal. That's the Boom Display's web portal, and it'll ask you for that ID number, and that's where you put it in. That ID number you then connect to the device, to the Boom Display's page, and hey presto, you are then connected and you can start sending content down to that screen. Any questions? We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for choosing Boom Display.